It just fun. Damn.
What's up, YouTube? You know, it's your boy King Kilo back again with another sneaker unboxing. But before I get off into the sneaker itself, go ahead and do your boy a favor. Go ahead, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and drop some comments down below. But without further ado, let's get off into the video. For the Asics, they got that real nice mesh material. These are a running shoe, so they are like built for running. You can use it as a lifestyle shoe, so it doesn't really matter what the shoe is. Like, you know, everyone wears Jordans, their basketball shoe. This is a runner, looks super sleek. It has a hardened toe box that's gray, you guys can see right there. And then you have the Gel-Kayano 14 on the side here. You got the Asics logo on the tongue, which is in gray and green. And this is like not a solid white color, it's like off-white a little bit. As you can see, like the midsole looks a little aged here. And any more details? Comfy cushioning on the sock liner. It's padded, so I guess it's like for your runner, so you don't like mess up your Achilles, or you're not rubbing your Achilles on the heel of the shoe. So they add extra padding back here. Sizing on the tongue. Boom, size 13. Your boy's personal size. And the shoelaces look off-white, but I don't really know. I can't really tell. Y'all let me know. Are these off-white or cream? I can't tell. But yeah, man. These shoes are super dope. I can't wait to try these on for you guys. There will be a on feet coming, so stay tuned for the rest of the video. Let's get it. Getting more into this shoe. I think the price point is around $160. And the style and comfort that I heard about this shoe is what drew me to it. So like I said, it does have similar colors to my New Balances, but I don't really care. If I like it, I'm gonna rock it. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember that, y'all. You feel me? Shout out to my boy Kicknology. But these look like a dad shoe. Like a dad Balenciaga of shoes. And I don't know why I like these shoes now. Like, I don't know why I've been like gearing towards like more runners lately. But I think that the comfort is like overall what I'm like looking for. You see what I'm saying? And just throw on the insoles right here so you guys can take a look at these. So this is the insole Asics, as you can see. And then on this one, I don't know if you guys can see more in depth, but it looks like it's recycled materials that they got on the insole. So I guess they're trying to be like more planet friendly, but yeah, here are the insoles. Not super thick, but they are like foamy, so I think your foot like kind of like molds to it, I guess. But yeah, that's the insoles. Boom. Then you got the box, generic Asics box. You got the Ortholite insoles in there. You got the tag on the front, size 13, as you guys already know, my personal size. So you know your boy is rocking these. Definitely gonna throw these on feet to see how they rank in comfort compared to the New Balance 1906Rs. But before I do that, like I said in the beginning of the video, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, y'all. Support your boy on the road to 2K subscribers. We just cracked 1K. You know, I was really excited about that. So, you know, go ahead and lock in with me, man. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get off into that on feet.
There you go. It just fuck. Damn. Fuck. This bit. Fuck. Niggas. Bitch. I told all my haters bye, told them haters hello. They like high plan. Nigga.